In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can download Instagram on your PC or laptop. Let's get started right now. Now, the first thing, guys, you want to log into your Instagram account using the web version of Instagram, okay? This is the first method. I'm going to be showing you guys the second method, which is way better than this. So this is just for people who don't have Windows 10 or 11, okay? Now you want to log into your Instagram account, and then you want to click 3 little dots in the top right, and you want to click on where it says, let me check. Yeah, you want to move your mouse to more tools, and then you want to click on create shortcut, and then you want to name that shortcut as what you want, Instagram for example, and then you want to click on create, and you will find that app. It's like an app on your PC or laptop. You want to click on it, and it will take you directly to the web version, because a lot of people don't want this. They want to download the actual app on their PC. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you want to click on Microsoft Store. If you can't find it here, you want to search for it. You either search for it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Search for Microsoft Store, and this is the app. You want to click on it, and there you can find not even Instagram, you can find Facebook, you can find WhatsApp, you can find any app that you can use on your phone. You can find it here on Microsoft Store, okay? It's like an app store for Windows. You want to search in the top, guys, for Instagram, and yeah, this is Instagram. You want to then download it. You want to click on install, and you want to wait for it a few seconds, and as you can see, the Instagram is downloading. Now after, guys, you download it, you want to click on open, and this is the actual app, okay? This is actually the app for Windows, okay? Yeah, now if you want to find this Instagram app, you want to search for it, Instagram, and this is the app, okay? You want to search for Instagram so that you can drag it to your desktop. You want to click on it, like click and hold on it, and drag it to your desktop, okay? Now I already did that. Now yeah, I have already you just want to click on your Windows key, and then you will find here Instagram. You want to click on all apps, and you want to search for Instagram here, and you will find it here, okay? Click on it, and this is the app, okay? So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.